Me and my deputy here.
Keep the camera from the two away.
We were patrolling the corridor as usual, you know. And then we see these two dangerous and ugly looking man enter the bar and hold us up at gunpoint.
Long gun, M16. Yeah. Long gun, M16, Desert Eagle.
But they trap the customers and we stand up to them bravely and we tell them, don't hurt the customers, but hurt we instead.
I said to him, shoot me, but don't trouble the customers.
But they insisted that the customers lay down on the floor.
And they insisted that Mr. Smith climbed the wall.
No, that is not to cut that part out of it. Give me a chance, not Titus, man.
Yes, give him a chance, please.
Good. So, we bidded and waited for the right moment. And then we just strike. And I tell my friend Titus here that he must attack them, and he attacked them, and I apprehended the gun.
And then I move in and leave a two crippling blow to his solar plexus.
Oh, me, Titus. Oh, yeah, man. And I want to tell you, in that ordeal, we were not frightened at all.
Fearless, downright fearless.
Yeah.